So I've got some blocks under the blade there, and that's taking the weight on this side. Alright. Sprockets engaged on the pins. Everything looks good. That's all lined up nicely. All the rollers are lined up. That's looking pretty good. It's nice and cold, so that's shrunk down, and I'll knock that in. Ah, yes, got it. Finally. Oh well, that's the pin in place. That was a nice tight fit, so I think it'll be alright to walk out of here. I'll just check it every now and then to make sure it's not moving, but I think that'll be fine to get out of here. That's looking good. That tension is working okay. I'll check it again once I've moved forward a bit, just to try and take any slack out of it, because I don't really want to drop a track in the scrub. It'll be a mission to get back on, so we'll try and keep those tracks nice and tight. Suppose we better check that gearbox oil. Well, it does have oil. It is foamy, but that's probably just because the engine's been running possibly a bit of moisture in there, but I think that'll be okay to get us home. Alright, let's try and get out of here.